In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for nonprofit project management. Monday.com is a fantastic platform that can streamline and enhance project management, especially in the nonprofit sector, where efficiency and organization are crucial. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you get the most out of this tool. First, let's begin by heading over to your Monday.com workspace. This is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be your central hub for project management. Once you're in your workspace, direct your attention to the board icon. Clicking on this will open a gateway to the heart of project management on Monday.com, your boards. Next, you'll want to create a new board. To do this, click on the New Board button. Think of boards as the canvases where your projects will come to life. When naming this board, consider something descriptive, like nonprofit project management, to keep things organized and easily identifiable. This step sets the foundation for efficient project handling. Now, with your board set up, let's add some structure by clicking on the group title. This is where you can categorize tasks by phases of completion, such as upcoming projects in progress and completed. These groups help in visualizing project stages and tracking progress effectively. Once your groups are in place, it's time to add some columns for tracking different aspects of your projects. To do this, click on Add Columns and choose the ones that best fit your needs. Columns can be customized for dates, person responsible, status updates, and more, providing a thorough overview of each project component. After setting up your groups and columns, let's explore how you can visualize your projects better with different